If you are having issues to write your article effectively for your blog, then this particular training is for you. Most of us may have be having some challenges in writing an effective and highly converting articles for our blog, and sometimes might find it difficult to be able to get a very good, reliable keyword that you can use for your article. So in this particular class, I'm going to show you how to run a keyword research before writing your article. But bear this in mind. If you're about to write an article, it's a good practice that you first of all have keywords that you want to target. By doing that, Google will be able to recognize your article so easily. Your articles can rank very well on Google and it will give you a high revenue. Now, how do you run a keyword research? First, to be able to run a keyword research, you need keyword research tool. Some of the good keyword research tools which I have personally used is the HOT. As you can see, this particular the HOT THEHOTH.com is the HOT. The HOT is a very good keyword research tool. We also have the Ahrefs and the SEMrush. All these are good keyword research tools. There are other good keyword research tool as well. But personally, I love using the HOT because I've been using it for a long period of time and it is actually giving me the best result that has been helping me to rank very well on Google. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if your niche is a finance niche, how do you write an article on it? And how do you get topics on financial niche? Now we're going to go into that directly. First, you need to log in into ChatGPT to get topics around your niche. All right. Now let's go to ChatGPT. It's open already. For those of you who may not know what a ChatGPT is, a ChatGPT is an AI, a writing AI tool that helps you to write articles, help you to generate topics depending on the query given to it. Okay. Now log into ChatGPT. Then, since I want to research on financial niche, because I'm on financial niche, let me just research on it and see how I'm going to get topics. Okay. Now let me give a ChatGPT the instruction to generate 5 good financial topic. All right. Now let's say list 5 financial topic for blog article. So all right, so it's writing that. I think I'm going to stop it because it's not giving me exactly what I said. So let me rephrase the command. Let me say write 5 eye-catchy topic on financial blog article. Okay, on financial blog niche. Let me use this and let's see. Fine. So it's giving me what I want. So what you need to understand is depending on the query given to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to return the query back to you. So always ensure that you give ChatGPT a very good query, okay, a very good command for it to give you exactly what you want. So now these are the 5 topics, okay. Now the first topic is the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom, tips, trick, and strategy. Now I'm going to use this particular topic, which is the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom, tips, tricks, and strategies. So here, let's now carry out an SEO analysis on this topic since I've gotten this topic. All right. So I'm going to pick this topic and I will paste it on my doc file. that is Microsoft Word. So let me delete this and let me have this new topic. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and identify the keywords we want to target. Now let's just say that we want to target financial freedom as a keyword. Now try to understand this. A financial freedom, these two words together, right? So that is a long tail keyword. But if I have something like strategy alone is a short word keywords. Okay. Now in keyword research, we have what is called the long tail keyword, and we have what is called the short tail keywords. Okay. Now in the long tail keyword is simply the combination of 2 or 3 words, while the short tail keyword is just simply only 1 word. Now, in this particular research, in this particular keyword research, I'm going to use 2 words, which is a long tail, which is this financial freedom, and I'm going to look at strategy. Okay, so now let's research it and see the monthly traffic that comes on this particular keyword. Okay, so from there we can be able to restructure our keywords we want to target to rank very high on Google. Now let's go back to the hot. Remember I said the hot is a very good keyword too. I've been using it and it has been giving me a very perfect result. It has a free option as well as the paid option. Any one of the keyword tool that you are using, ensure that it has a very high reliability. Okay, now I now log into the hot. The next thing I need to do is to go to these 2 options here, and I will click on keyword research. So let me click on keyword research, and we're going to paste our keyword there, research on it, and see what is the monthly keyword and what the monthly search of that keyword. And as well, we are going to check the keyword difficulty and the CPC, which is the cost per click of that keyword. So let's go back and pick this financial freedom, copy it, and I'll head back to the hot, and I'll paste it there, and I'll click search. So let's see. Now we have the result for the financial freedom, and the search volume per month is 12,100. The cost per click, which the CPC is $2.22. Then the keyword difficulty, here we have 75, competition 0.11. all right, so you can actually use this because it's a very good keyword target. Okay, at least the search is very good, the difficulty though high, but you can still rank for it. Okay, now if you look at it, we have the financial freedom, and let's look at that in detail and see what we can also target. We have financial freedom, which has a volume of 100, which have the volume of 12,100, CPC of $2.22, and have the keyword difficulty. Okay, then there are all the keywords here as well, though not too related to our topic, but we're going to work on this particular financial freedom, which is found in this our topic we just pick here. All right, now if you look at this financial freedom, you see that the keyword volume, the search per month is high, so we can actually be rest assured that financial freedom, that people are actually searching for it in the internet. Okay, now let's go to the second keyword I want to target, which is strategy. Okay, which is strategy. So we pick this now and we head back to keyword research to the hot keyword research to. Now we have been able to research successfully on financial freedom, and we know that people are actually searching it highly per month, and the CPC is okay. The difficulty will quite a little bit high, but we can still rank for that if you do it very well. Okay, now we are rest assured that the financial freedom is okay. Let's now look at the strategy as another target keyword we want to focus on. So we paste our strategy here and see the search volume per month, the keyword difficulty, and the CPC of that keyword. Now, if you look at the search volume, a summary of the search volume here, we have about 18,100. It's still very okay. All right, it's still very okay. And we also have keyword difficulty of 88. Okay, fine, you can still go for that. Cost per click $1.48. Awesome, very good. So if you look at this strategy, let's go down. Look at this keyword we are targeting here, which is the strategy number 9 here. You can also see that here. So now, having satisfied that these two keywords we want to target has a very good search per month and as well a very good CPC, then we can write our article based on this CPC and based on this keyword, and as well have a very good rating for that. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do now is to head on to our chat GPT. All right, and let's use chat GPT to develop this particular article that we want to write. Okay, so what we want to do now is we will pick this topic and instruct ChatGPT to write on that for us. Now, let me briefly say this. You can as well use ChatGPT to write your articles. Okay, I've seen cases whereby people use ChatGPT to write article. Google approve their blog, and as well they are performing very well. I have once used it as well. Okay, but it is also a very good practice that once you use your ChatGPT to write your article, try as much as you can to give it a human feel. Okay, what do I mean by human feel? Add images, add infographics, add one or two things, and try to work on the words, change some of the words, so that at least, even if Google is going to check to know if you're using AI to write your article, they will not be able to dictate. I'm going to show you this, how to do this particular trick in our next class, but that is going to be later in the next video I'm going to do, or maybe in our paid or class. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that, the tricks and the strategies I've been using, which has been paying me off for some time, for a long time now. So now let's now write on this topic. Having satisfied the keyword research conditions, then let's write. Now I'll copy that and I'll paste it here. Then I'll give it an instruction: write 2000 watts, or let me just say write 1500 watts on the ultimate guide with high SEO score using financial freedom, financial freedom, financial freedom, and strategy as target keyword. All right, now let's hold on and see. Okay, so let's hold on while this chat GPT write that for us. Okay, so it's writing that. Okay, so let's hold on. Chat GPT is generating the article for us. So okay, So let's hold on while it's right. That fine. So ChatGPT is done writing the article for us, and as you can see that the article is well written with good conclusion. All right. So and let's go through that again, and let's see the instruction we gave to ChatGPT. We instructed ChatGPT to write 1,500 words on the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom, tips, tricks, and strategies with high XEO score using financial freedom and strategies as target keyword. Now, why is it important to add this later part of high SEO score? And we're so specific to tell it to use financial freedom and strategy. This is because once you do that, you'll be able to give ChatGPT a focused target to be able to write based on this target, and it will help you to rank properly on Google. All right, it will help you to write properly on Google, and when you are running your SEO on your blog, you have no much difficulty to rank very well. Now let's look at the introduction that we have here. ChatGPT was able to give us a brief introduction about the topic, and it says the road to financial freedom is not an easy one. It requires discipline, hard work, and a deep understanding of personal finance. However, achieving financial freedom can lead to a life of abundance and scarcity, allowing you to enjoy the things that truly matters in life without being burdened by financial stress. In this ultimate guide, we will provide you with the best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Now, if you look at this write-up, you will notice that our keywords are embedded in them. Financial freedom, as you can see here, financial freedom, sorry, as you can see in this place, financial freedom and strategies. So once you upload this on your blog, it's going to perform very well. Okay, you're going to rank well because your keyword is highly targeted. All right, now if you go down to the subheading, you have what is called what is financial freedom. So ChatGPT also goes down to define what a financial freedom is and all the rest. So now the next thing you need to do here, just to come here and you pick, just copy straight. Okay, just copy it and go straight to your words, then you paste it there. Okay, you paste it there. Let me paste this one here. So the next thing you need to do is to structure it, give it the structure you need so that it looks very good. Set it up, and let me go down and say this. So when you have this now, at least we are done with writing our article. Okay, but like I said, you don't need to just post this article like that on your blog. What you need to do is give it a human feel. Okay, give it a human feel. Try to give it a human feel, and by so doing you improve the performance of your article. All right, now once you're done with this, you can copy, give it a human feel, like I said, add images, add infographics. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section of this video, which is going to be in the paid or the class, or my desire to give it to you in my online course platform, and it's going to be there. I'll make it to be a free resource for all of you to watch and learn how you can write a highly converting article using ChatGPT and your research to the heart. All right, so I'll be expecting to see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye. See you then.